Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to zoom in on inshot editing app. So inshot app is a free editor that you can use on your mobile phone to edit videos and photos as well, and you can also create collages, right? But if you want to zoom in on a video, you want to click on the videos icon, of course, and then select the video that you want to do this for. So I am just going to click on that one right there, which is a random video. That I probably make for the channel that you are watching right now. But step number one, like if you want to zoom in, you have all of these different edit selections, right? So you have crop, which you can use to zoom in, like you can do it like that, for example. But the best way to do this is to click on the canvas right there. At the top it says pin to zoom, so hold the screen with two fingers, then simply like do the zoom movement. If you get what I mean, you can also click right there. For example, you can choose no frame or choose any of these, if that helps. And then you will see this green bar at the bottom. If you do it, I mean if you sweep it to the left, it will zoom out. If you sweep it to the right, it will zoom in. And with your finger you can then decide the movement, so you can decide where you want to zoom in. So if we just go back to the normal, if I just do that and then no frame, or just go back once again because I actually cropped it, select the video, canvas, no frame. This is the original video once again. If you want to zoom in, click on the canvas and then pinch to the zoom in. So pretty much do that, and that's exactly how you can zoom in on InShot. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.